But why land? Flipped the houses in the Bay Area, had done some other types of real estate investing. And in the last 7 years, land by far has been my favorite. And these are some of the reasons. The people that own the land, if you own a house or you have a rental, it's an asset and you can rent it out. But land, what I find is every year, and in Florida, November 1st, they get that darn tax bill. So some people may have inherited it. It may have been gifted to them. The mom may have lived in Florida. The property's in Florida. The son lives in California, and she gives the property to him. What's he get every year is a tax bill. So I find out that they're much more motivated. The transactions, again, are much quicker. We go ahead and get the property under contract, and I immediately start marketing it, looking for a buyer. I don't do anything to any of these lots. I think in 7 years, we've cleared a little bit of brush, removed an abandoned boat, but that's really about it. So no repairs needed, no appointments. I don't have to schedule an appointment to meet the seller. When I sell it, I don't meet the buyers. So no appointments, much less overhead. I'm not going to have any, have to paint the house, have to put in new decks and all that. And with HGTV, there's so many people flipping houses, and it doesn't mean that we don't have some competition. We do, but it is much less. So again, that's really why I like doing land, and it's been a great niche.